Amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yak Shumash. So this is a bit of an impromptu video today. Oh sorry, I could see the cat outside. Bit of an impromptu video today because a friend of mine who I've done some refurbs for in the past said I want to send you a gift. So it arrived today and I've opened it and I'm absolutely astonished. It's amazing. So I want to share that with you guys. So you would have seen this before on my channel. I did a refurb on this machine for my friend, and he's downsizing his collection and thought that I would like this, and I really do. I'm absolutely chuffed. So get it out of the packet. Ugh. It's been a while since we've seen this. I don't want to ruin the bubble wrap because bubble wrap is always handy. And here we go. This is the Hoover. Now let me just check. This is the Hoover model 417E. So if you remember, I did a kind of like refurb on it for him and cleaned it all out, and now it's actually come back to me, so I'm absolutely amazed and chuffed. We spray painted all of the inside and the motor casing and everything, stripped it all down. It was I had to re-rivet the badge on it and everything because it was in a really bad state. And the paint job on it is not what I would say my best work. It was using Hammerite, but it definitely cleaned it up and made it, you know, technically usable. So I'm really chuffed to have this. So a great big thank you to my mate who sent this back to me, or sent it for me. So yeah, I'm really pleased. It's not original at all, but I don't care because it does look so much better than what it did. And yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. I think I've still got the paint marks of this on my hands somewhere. Let's turn this on. Okay, so let's turn it on. Not the best sounding wind down, but it was a lot better than what it was before I had my hands on it. So the first thing we need to do is the chicken test. So let's check it. Yeah, it passes the chicken test with a screeching chicken. So that's really good. I don't even think it's been used. The bag on it looks completely clean. Yeah, just a little bit of use on it, hardly anything. So there we go. I have got this 417E back. Well, and I mean, it was never mine in the first place, but I've got it from him, and I'm really pleased. So thank you so much. It was just literally a quick video for you guys on this today, and a great big thank you to my friend. So thank you very much for watching. I'll do a demonstration with this because I've got a hose for it from another machine, and we'll give it a go and see what it's like. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye y'all.